What is up, guys? Today we're doing our first proper vid and we're going to be trying 3 Easter snacks. Okay, so we have to be doing those pussy snacks. So we're starting with lemon pears. Waiting for the sour to hit. Nothing hit the sour king to pick you up later and drop you off at this bin. Okay, I know this is embarrassing, innit? By the way, I ain't have any pears for 3 years. And it's... If you didn't try them, I recommend you eat. Next, we gotta get with some drippy chocolate. So, orange normal mini eggs. Oh my days, the crunch. Guess what internet star I am? Stop saying cuss words. It's rude and inappropriate. Stop saying cuss words. I know, I'm embarrassing myself. Okay, so if you see me in public, just be like, what's up, Slater? Because I'm about to change my YouTube name. I don't know how, so if you know, comment down below what you think I should try. And yeah, next we're trying these good old Warhead Galactic cubes. You don't know which baby's coming up. There is Black Hole Cherry, Rocket, Raspberry, and Cosmic Punch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think I got Cosmic Punch. No, so see my tongue. Oh my days, my lips. Ah, my teeth. Ah, my tongue. And that's everything for today. Make sure you follow the video for more. Comment down below what you want me to do, like any video, and what you want me to try. Peace! And press the post notifications bell. Now we are introducing you TikTok star Alex Cossa. Is it easy to be a TikToker?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you follow him. Make sure you follow me. Peace! Subscribe.